In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your YouTube search history. You can simply clear your search history on YouTube in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your YouTube. On your profile page, you will have to tap on the settings icon on your right upper corner of the screen. Select the option of Manage All History right here. You will then wait for it to load. On this page, tap to slide to the second tab of Controls. Scroll down onto the option of Auto Delete. Make sure your search history is enabled. Then tap on Auto Delete. Click right here and tap on Next. To continue, tap on Confirm. All your YouTube watch and search history will get cleared successfully. That's how easy it is to delete your YouTube search history and watch history. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.